Yo guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. As you can see by the title, yeah, mate, bro, listen, yeah, I've been wanting to do this for time, yeah. I've literally been sitting in my room, yeah, just having a wank, and I was just like, you know what? Why have I not done this yet, bro? It's mad. Like, pretty much my first video was me saying that I'm gonna get this, and I finally got it, and man, the gas, I had to take out a loan to get it. It's long, yeah. My bank balance is looking peak. This thing cost me £85. You think I got £85? I bought this for the rest of the year, man, skin. Brokey. So if anyone has any recommendations for mods, allow it, yeah? Just leave it. Put it back there, bro. Man ain't got the money for that. But yes, as you can see by the title, your boy has finally got a custom steering wheel cover. This, like, I don't know, honestly, like, I've watched videos of people doing it, brother. I literally don't believe I'm gonna be able to do it, bro. It's gonna be peak, bro. I'm gonna be there trying to sew it, bro, like I'm some next granny. If anyone's grand's watching this, how do I sew, bro? You can give me some top off. Nah, I need to chill, bro. But yes, we're gonna be putting on a custom steering wheel cover onto the VAUXHALL CORSA today. I'm gonna show you what the current steering wheel looks like, you know what I mean? It's not bad, but it's just butters. It's like, you know them ones, yeah, when you move to a girl, and then like a couple days later, you start realizing that she's looking like my toenail, bro. It's looking lot. So pretty much, this is the VAUXHALL CORSA, like, standard steering wheel, you know what I mean? It looks calm, innit? I can't lie. When you first look at it, it looks calm, but obviously, look, these things here, yeah, butters. We don't like that, bro. It looks too plain, it's too basic. I want my car to look a bit more special, you know what I'm saying? Listen, bro, when I get into my car and there's a girl sitting here, I want them to start moving mad, bro. They start seeing my steering wheel cover, they start moving nuts, bro, you know what I'm saying? Next thing you know, they're down there, bro. Now, obviously, like, this doesn't look too bad, obviously, but I think it's gonna look way better with the steering wheel cover on it. Also, the grip on this is not that good. Like, when I'm trying to do my little thing, no them ones trying to do this, bro. But yeah, pretty much, I'm gonna unbox it. If you do want to get a steering wheel cover, I'll go to FINESSE. I mean, basically, when you make an order on FINESSE, it'll have little comments. Go in the comments and be like, came here from Chillwoo, and then obviously, then man might bust me a little free thing, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We're so close to 2K, bro. When I checked, we're like 30 away. Listen, you man need to back me. Listen, I genuinely believe all you man had my back. It's not looking too good, yeah? I thought you man had my back. I thought I was gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? You man need to back me. We need to hit that 2K by the end of the year. That's the goal, bro. The man knows what I'm on, yeah? So just get her to subscribe. That's what you gotta do. She hasn't subscribed yet, because I cluttered off her back, but listen, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna unbox this thing because honestly, I haven't even looked at it yet. I've been waiting this whole time, I haven't even looked at it. So let's have a look at this thing. Yes, people, here is the box, you know what I'm saying? It says FINESSE on it, it's tantalizing. Don't watch that, yeah? Listen, last night, it was mad. But listen, this is the box, you know what I'm saying? It's looking quite professional, you know what I'm saying? This thing comes up like this, bro. Look at this, yeah? Dank. Anyway, the first thing you get in here is this. There you go. Ooh, hold on. What's that smell like? Oh yeah, it smells like your cousin, bro. Actually smells peng. I'm gonna hang this up, bro. The course is gonna be smelling dank, bro. Are you dumb? When the gal jump into my whip after this, over. But yeah, in the box you get the steering wheel cover. Listen, I'm gonna show that last, bro. You man don't need to see that yet. You're moving too quickly, bro. Calm down, yeah? I'm gonna show you that afterwards, bro. Relax, bro. You're moving mad. But yeah, obviously in there you get a little kit, you know what I'm saying? This is the sort of thing that you use. I mean, you get a little needle so you can like thread it. You get the little wire and all that. So yeah, basically I gotta sew this bitch in, so it's gonna be quite hard. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to read through all these instructions because yeah, I can't sew, bro. It's mad. Listen, the moment of truth, I'm gonna show you guys this steering wheel cover. Peng, yeah? I'm gonna show you guys this. Don't copy me. I'm telling you that right now, big man thing, do not copy me, yeah? This is the customized top tier Chillwoo level 200, bro. It's mad. This is different, yeah? But anyway, let me show you guys this thing. Oh, yeah? Look at this, yeah? Man's got the Alcantara. I lied. This is suede, bro. The Alcantara was like £100 extra. Not happening, yeah? Man's broke. Obviously, man's got the real carbon fiber. I lied. This is not real carbon fiber. It's mad, yeah? Man's broke. I can't afford them things there. Man's got the suede and the carbon. This is gonna look peng with the obviously the yellow stitching. We also have we got the center line as well. This is like in leather, bro. This feels good, like for the money I paid. This fucking better be real leather, like what the fuck. That's basically to match the calipers if you don't know already. Obviously man's got the yellow calipers, so obviously it's gonna match like that, and obviously we have this as well. Honestly, look, it's all color coded, so everything's looking mad. And once it's all done, mate, you like honestly, my car's gonna be transformed, bro. Like literally, it's actually mad. All I'm saying is, it's over with, bro. Literally, when I put this on, 600-700 brake horsepower increase. So pretty much first things first, I need to basically put this on here just to like kind of line everything up. I don't know what way it's supposed to go. I assume this way. So boom. Oh my days, bruv. Look at it already, bro. What the fuck? Mate, that looks already, bro. What the fuck? I haven't even put it on yet, mate. This is going to be mad. Why does it look mad already, bro. It literally looks it, bro. Look how mad it looks already, bro. Oh man, you can kind of envision it, bro. I'm gonna make this fucking right. So next I gotta secure these bits, and then up here and then up here, basically with the sticky tape to that kind of secure it so it doesn't slip off while you're driving. You know what I'm saying? So let me quickly just do that. Here it is. You know what I'm saying? You get a little bit of sticky tape. Let's just kind of stick it here and here, and let's figure out if this shit works. I don't know. This is pretty much what it's looking like at the moment, you know what I'm saying? We got the stitching, you know what I mean? Basically, I need to tuck all of these kind of in there. I've already kind of done this one, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like tucked inside. But yeah, I need to just continue to like tuck all these in, tuck the bottom in, and then basically, straight after that, we can start stitching it. Obviously, looking already, you can kind of see what roughly it would look like, but obviously it's not done yet. But yeah, let's continue to just do this shit and see how it comes out. Man's bare close, but look at my face. Right, so the first bit is actually done now. This is basically what it's looking like. So obviously this is what the steering wheel cover is actually looking like at the moment. You know what I'm saying? We got the main bits on. It's basically just tuck this underneath this bit, tuck this bit underneath this bit, tuck this bit underneath it. Basically all we have left is basically just to stitch it all on now, and then that will literally be it. And then man's just gonna be moving nuts, bruv. But listen, I'm gonna be on a track, bruv. And listen, 100 likes, I'm gonna take the course on a track, literally, bruv. Literally, I'm gonna be like this. But yeah, pretty much. We're just gonna start stitching this now. I'm not gonna tell you how to stitch it because it's just a long process. You know what I'm saying? You gotta read through bare things. But yeah, I'm just gonna start stitching it. If you do want to learn how to stitch it, you'll get the kit with like when you order it, you'll get the kit and everything, so you kind of like figure it out from there. Honestly, I think it's gonna be mad hard. By reading the instructions, I'm just seeing like fucking 8 times 12 and then bare things, bruv. It's moving mad. Let's just jump straight and start stitching this thing, bruv. Honestly, from looking at it now, big man thing, I'm gonna go home, Lisa Ann straight away. I swear to you, Lisa Ann straight away when I get home, bruv, because this is mad. Absolutely. Fuck's sake. So as you can see, we've made a little bit of progress. Obviously, listen, I'm not some pro in it, but it's looking a bit mad in this sort of part. But listen, it's still coming out all right, to be honest with you. I just kind of just winged it because I was reading the instructions. It was all looking a bit mad, you know what I'm saying? I'm a simple guy. I just like to just bang it out. But obviously, look, it's coming out all right so far. Basically, I need to do this all the way to the end of that. Then I need to do like a next knot. Then I gotta come and do the same thing and then do a next knot. Bruv, it's actually gonna take me hours to do. I can't get bare different angles because man's tripod is moving mad at the moment. I mean, I ain't gonna do a tutorial because I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just winging it. But yeah, that's the best way to do it. Is best. Like the instructions are calm, but at this point, you just gotta wing it, bruv. It seems alright so far anyway. I'm holding it. This is peng. I can't lie, it's peng. But yeah, let's just bang this out and I'll catch up with you once it's fucking this part's done anyway. Yes, people, so we have actually done this part now. We basically have this little bit sticking out, but honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It looks kind of alright. Like, I mean, it got a bit messy up here, but like, honestly, it feels alright. It seems quite tight, you know what I mean? Nothing seems gonna like move while I'm driving, whatever. But yeah, we still have all of this part to still do. I'm gonna be so real. We're gonna be here for the next 6 hours minimum. I might be here 24 hours, I don't know, but this is taking mad long, yeah? It doesn't even look like it's straight anymore. It's peak. Listen, I'm sweating, I'm dripping this, bro. It's literally, what, bro? It's 24 degrees and I'm sitting in a fucking car full of leather, bro. It's long. But I'm just gonna try and bang this out because, mate, I am actually tired, yeah? This is taking way too long, bro. I can't lie. I should have just paid some next brother to come and do it for me, bro. It would have been 10-second video, would have been quick, bro. If you have made it up to this point in the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. As I said, 70 likes minimum. Or if you get 100 likes, I'm taking this on the track. I'm gonna send it through Narnia. I'm gonna send it off a cliff, bro. Right, so this is what it's looking like at the moment, you know what I mean? We've done the whole bottom part now. We literally just have the top bit to do left, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so far it's looking sick. When I start scurrying, the gal them are gonna start moving nuts, bro. I'm telling you, if I have a girl sitting right here, bro, and she's just bare, look at, this is the angle she's gonna see, bro. Do you know how mad that is, blood? Bang, top bit left, done now, yeah? We're gonna skirt this, like I skirted your girl, long, yeah? So yes, pretty much my camera just died, so I'm filming on my phone. But yes, the steering wheel is actually finally finished. Let me show you guys what this thing's looking like, bro. My days. Obviously I need to cut these parts off still, but yeah, it's all done now. The thing is looking serious, bro. Look at the stitching as well. Man's cold, bro. I'm a knitter, bro. When I say I learned from your grandma, man, learned from your grandma, bro. Look how clean this is. Perfect. And obviously the center line is directly in the middle. Like if I straighten my wheel up, you can pretty much see that it's kind of fucked. I can't lie, bro. Yeah, man's got the Alcantara B-Tech right there, and man's got the B-Tech carbon fiber right there as well. And obviously the steering wheel's looking peng with the yellow stitching, which I said matches the calipers and everything. But yeah, it's all finished. Do you want to get this kit? As I said, will finesse, mate. They're the people you want to go to. You get bare things. Man got that thing up here as well. Peng. Yeah, everything's looking tantalizing. But yeah, man's gonna go for a quick drive, you know what I'm saying? Man's gonna skirt this thing around the block, you know what I'm saying? Look at it in the light as well. You can kind of see like the carbon. Obviously it makes your like steering wheel feel thicker as well. Like my car's low-key feeling like a BMW. It's like you're in a new car, bro. It literally feels like you're in a, bro, like what, bro? Wait, hold on. Why does the steering wheel completely just transform your car, bro? Like literally the feeling of it feels like I'm in a new car. Literally, bro. Like, and I know you probably think I'm exaggerating, but I'm genuinely not even joking. It literally feels like I'm in a brand new car. What the hell? Because of these, I feel like I'm in like a luxury car, bro. I can't lie, it was a W getting the suede on the side, bro. This feels like it's genuinely a brand new car, bro. W fucking mod. But anyway guys, that is it for the video. I hope you did enjoy this one. This one was a bit different, you know what I'm saying? It did take a little bit longer than usual to do. Honestly, it looks sick. A man's gassed, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be scurrying everyone on the track, yeah? I see a Bugatti there, smoked. CORSA, smoked. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. My next video is gonna be another modification, so stay tuned for that. And obviously we're gonna do another POV drive with this properly. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Poof.